Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell clothes on eBay. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can start from scratch. Yeah, let's get started right now. Now, the first thing you need to know, guys, is where you are going to get these clothes. So if you are going to do drop shipping, for example, from Amazon or AliExpress, like if you guys don't know what is dropshipping, it's like you are selling something you don't own. Like you only go to Amazon to purchase the item after you receive a sale on eBay. So that's exactly what I have been doing for a very long time. It's like 4 years. But you can also sell clothes that you already have. Okay, you purchased it in your country and you have the stock at your house. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so first thing you need to know, guys, if you already have the clothes at your house, you just need to take a very good photos of the products, okay, of the clothes you have. Okay, so you just need to take very good photos of that of the item and then remove the background. As you can see, this t-shirt, as you can see, the background is white, so don't make sure you remove the background. There are a lot of websites that lets you remove the background from the photo. Now, for example, you can use this website. Let's just search on Google for remove the background from video, like remove the background color. And there are a lot of sites that are free. Okay, so you don't really have to pay for them. As you can see, 100% like free. So just click on upload photo, and then you can take the photo here, and then you will be able to remove the background. As you can see, we have removed the background. As you can see here, you can also add the new background. You can add like color. I always recommend adding a white background, okay, because it stands out. You can stand out from others. So this is very important. That's what I have noticed, guys. When you have like white background, it seems like the product appear more in search results, so people like buyers can find them easily in the search result. Okay, so the first step, like I said, is to take good photos of the item and remove the background. And the second step is listing the item on eBay. So what you guys need to do, you want to go to eBay and click on sell. Okay, you want just to create an account on eBay, click on create listing, and click on single listing. Okay, so after you are on this page, then you need to come up with a title. So what I do, guys, okay, what worked for me, so well, like I said, I have been doing this eBay dropshipping thing for a very long time, so I know, guys, what I'm talking about. I've done some like crazy numbers, and this is exactly what I do, guys. Okay, so you can just copy the exact same thing I do, guys. So as you can see, if for example, if you are selling t-shirts, for example, t-shirt, I'm going to search for t-shirt. Okay, if it's a brand t-shirt, for example, Nike or whatever, like any brand, you can just search for that in the search in the eBay search here box. Now, after you search for it, guys, as you can see, as you can see here, you can see any title you like here, and make sure that title has some sales on it, like the product has some sales. And then you can take that exact title and make some changes to it. Like, for example, you can change like the brand name. You can change, for example, like something that like some keywords in the title, so that the t-shirt is more like the title has it has to do with your t-shirt. Okay, so if it's like a logo right in the t-shirt, you just need to like add it in the title of the item. Okay, so that's exactly what I mean, guys. I hope you guys understand me, because my English is not that good, but you get the point. So I'm going to show you guys, for example, this one. As you can see, Kawasaki Ninja t-shirt motorcycle. Now if you have like a t-shirt similar to this, you can just copy the title of this. As you can see, it's proven to work because it has 3 sales, so people are searching for this exact title on eBay. So that's exactly what you guys need to do. You just need to search, like I said, for a product that is similar to yours. This is exactly what I'm trying to say. You need to search for the item that is similar to yours on eBay, and make sure you copy their title, because that title is proven to work. People are searching for that title. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here. So for example, if you have a t-shirt that is related to this t-shirt, it's called a Kawasaki Ninja. As you can see, like t-shirt, like motorcycle, people are interested in this product. As you can see, Now, as you can see, I'm going to copy this title, I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to make some changes to it. For example, I would like to remove this Kawasaki Ninja because the t-shirt I'm trying to sell has nothing to do with motorcycle lovers. So I'm going to add here like t-shirt for adults. Okay, so I'm like if you have like a t-shirt that you can find on eBay, similar t-shirt to yours, make sure you copy that title, that's the exact title, and paste it. So there is nothing wrong with that. Okay, so I always do that. Like it's been years, so like 4 years. All I do is copying other people's titles because they get sales easily. So I'm not going to come up with a title because I don't know if the title is going to be searchable on eBay or not, so if people are going to search for that product and find me. So I'm not sure about that, so I'm going to copy what already works. So that's exactly what I do. So as you can see, I'm going to copy that title and I'm going to go to eBay, and here it says, tell us what you are selling. You just need to enter here the title, okay, and here continue without match, and here new with tags. Okay, if it's new, of course. If it's old, then you can just add used. Okay, so you can just change it to used item. Okay, most of the time I sell on new items, but sometimes I sell used items, so there is nothing wrong with that. It's the same, so the same process, guys. You don't really have to change anything here. Now here the photos, you just need to click on upload from computer, and you need to upload here the photos of the item. Like I said, always remove the background. Now this is not the product I would like to sell. So I'm going to sell t-shirt. As you can see, I'm going to sell this t-shirt. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to remove the these photos because it was a mistake. Now, as you can see, this is exactly the t-shirt. Okay, so if the t-shirt has like multiple colors, I'm going to show you guys how you can add the product with different variations or with different colors, with different sizes. You can do that if you want. So here it says subtitle optional. You don't really have to enter this because it's going to charge you $2 even if the item doesn't sell. So that's exactly what you need to avoid. Here the brand, so you have to enter here the brand of the t-shirt. Like if it's branded, then you, for example, if it's Nike, you can add Nike here. If it doesn't have any brand, you just need to add here unbranded. Okay, as you can see, unbranded. Now, as you can see here, guys, the size, you just need to enter here the size. If you don't know it, leave it empty. Okay, color, for example, if it's black, you want to add here black. Now additional, which says here optional, but they really help for the product to appear more in the search results. So these things are optional, but they really help. For example, the theme, motorcycle, the fit regular, relaxed, for example, regular. Here lunch, short, like long or whatever. Here the variations, like if you have a product with different variations with different colors, you can just click on edit here. Okay, and here it says type or accents. You can remove this and you can click on add new, and then you can add here, add your own, and then click search for color, click on save. Okay, you can add color here, then click on save like I said, and click here it says options. You want to click on create your own. If you have like an item with black color, you want to add it, click on add. If you have an item with white color, like if your product has like 2 colors or 3 colors, you can add here as many colors as you have, click on continue. And you can also like add the price for each color. If the black color is more expensive, you can add here the prices. You can see you can add here $100, for example, but the white color, I'm going to sell it for $90. And then click on save and close. As you can see, now we have created an item with 2 different colors. Now here it says shipping. You can also like add here the shipping. I always use the standard shipping. Here the description. If you don't know, guys, the description, you can just use the AI to create the description. For example, use AI descriptions. You can click on it. It's going to write a description for you, as you can see, with this stylish black tee featured theme, perfect for support riders. T-shirt is made like I always use the AI most of the time. So yeah, that's it. So you just need to list the item. Okay, so after you add here everything, click on list it now, and then the product will be listed. So the next step, guys, after you get a sale, then you can ship. Like you will have to pack the the item. Okay, just pack it well and send it to the customer. Now after you send it to the customer, guys, you can you can just add the address in the package, the address of the customer, of course, and send it with the post or the office, like post office. Okay, just go to the post office and send the product. And after you send it, guys, after the customer receives the item, you can just ask the buyer, hi, can you please write a positive review? That would be highly appreciated. It really helps. As you can see, this new store has like I have like 10 reviews here, and most of the reviews I received are from people I already asked, like I already asked them to like leave a review for me. So like asking like your customers really helps to have like more reviews. The more reviews you have, the more sales you are going to get. This is exactly how eBay works. So after you sell, like I said, the item, just ask the buyer to write a positive review for you, and that's it. So if you have, guys, any questions, I reply to every single comment. Okay, just let me know in the comments any questions you have. If you don't understand anything, I reply to everyone. Okay, so drop a like and see you guys in the next video. Like I said, please drop a like.